Welcome to Quiz It by Wisdom Vibes. In this video, we're going to guess some of the most delicious Filipino foods. So, get ready to test your knowledge of the Philippines' tastiest dishes. Are you ready? But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wisdom Vibes for more fun and challenging quizzes like this. Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Identify this delicious Filipino food. Oh, halo-halo. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Lechon. Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Longanisa. Guess what Filipino dish this is? Sinigang. Which Filipino food is shown here? Pancit. Malabon. Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? Bicol Express. What Filipino food are we looking at? Dinuguan. Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Bibingka. Identify this delicious Filipino food. Lumpiang Shanghai. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Champorado. Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Taho. Guess what Filipino dish this is? Balut. Which Filipino food is shown here? Kare. Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? Mechado. What Filipino food are we looking at? Puto. Bumbong. Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Bulalo. Identify this delicious Filipino food. Siopao. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Bistec, Tagalog. Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Pinakbet. Guess what Filipino dish this is? Ginataan. Which Filipino food is shown here? Sapin-sapin. Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? Crispy pata. What Filipino food are we looking at? Sisig. Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Bangus. Identify this delicious Filipino food. Pansit habhab. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Sinigang na hipon. Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Inasa. Guess what Filipino dish this is? Palpanchit, palabok. Which Filipino food is shown here? La Paz Bachoy. Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? Tokwat baboy. What Filipino food are we looking at? Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Silog. Identify this delicious Filipino food. Lumpiang sariwa. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Sinampalukang manok. Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Madja blanca po. Guess what Filipino dish this is? Ochiro. Which Filipino food is shown here? Pancit bihon. Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? Turon. What Filipino food are we looking at? Paksiw na isda. Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Identify this delicious Filipino food. What's the name of this traditional Filipino meal? Do you know this popular food from the Philippines? Guess what Filipino dish this is? Which Filipino food is shown here? Can you recognize this yummy Filipino delicacy? What Filipino food are we looking at? Can you name this famous Filipino dish? Identify this delicious Filipino food. So, how many did you get right? Comment below your score. Let's see who's the real geography genius. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next fun quiz.